From the outside, the M1 MacBook uses the same design as the last design introduced in late 2016, and it is by no means dated. Coming in at just 1.56cm thin, 30.41cm wide, and 21.24cm deep, compared to 2015's 1.8cm thin, 35.89cm wide, and 24.71cm deep. Weight-wise, the 2015 MacBook Pro came in at 2.04 kilograms, while the M1 comes in at 1.4 kilograms. That's not to say that the 2015 MacBook Pro is dated in its design, or heavy to handle. In both cases, the only thing that may be showing its age is the thick bezels of their screens, thicker on the early 2015 model compared to the M1 MacBook Pro, with the screen seeing only the slightest improvements over the years between the two. Other obvious differences include Touch Bar and Touch ID, and difference in port options, with the early 2015 MacBook Pro playing host to older ports such as Thunderbolt and USB-A ports, HDMI and SD card slots, rumours of which have suggested that these ports will be making a comeback in future MacBook Pro designs. Internally, the main difference is the processor, with the early 2015 MacBook Pro running an Intel processor and the late 2020 MacBook Pro running an Apple M1 Silicon. The difference is measurable, with Geekbench scores results showing a vast improvement between the two. However, that being said, depending on your use case, the 2015 MacBook Pro may still hold up to your daily needs. If you're looking to upgrade, think about whether your needs require the performance of the newer model, as that's the only reason to upgrade. Benefits sticking with 2015 MacBook Pro and any Intel MacBook Pro between that and the newly released M1 are the abundance of compatible third-party apps and rumoured newer MacBook refreshes to be released this year. Overall, if you are in need of an upgrade and the apps you run support Apple's Silicon, then this is really a worthwhile upgrade.